Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about all the new stuff from L'Oreal. I've been getting like PR package after PR package over the last like month or so of just all this stuff that they're cranking out, and there's some really good stuff. Like, I've been trying it and testing it. I didn't do any first impressions on any of it because I just wanted to kind of do more of like a hits and misses, like a collective. I'm going to be talking about all of the products and the ones that I like, the ones I don't like, the hits, the misses, and everything in between. So without further ado, if you would like to see the hot new stuff that L'Oreal has come out with in the last month, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm just going to go through stuff in the order that I received it because each of these packages came at a different time. So the first one is hair. It's all hair products. This is the Elvive collection, and this is all about like total repair. It's called Elvive Total Repair 5, and it's all about like repairing split ends. And girl, I have some serious split ends, okay? I haven't gotten my hair like truly like cut since I moved here in June. My girl cut, like, gave me a trim in between, like just to cut some of the dead ends off, I think in November, but I haven't had like a real cut in such a long time. I'm actually getting my hair cut next week, but the struggle is real because like my boy is in LA and I'm here, so making a hair appointment isn't easy. So yeah, so having something that helps with my split ends is like, oh heck yes. When I saw this, I was like, yes. And I love hair masks. This one here is Damage Erasing Balm. I have been trying this and I really like it. I've probably tried it maybe 3 times, so I can't be like, this is life-changing yet. I'm still trying it, but so far I really do like it. This is a leave-in conditioner. I've tried this about the same amount of times, maybe 3 times, and again, same thing, I like it. But it is a heat protectant from 450 degrees, which I think most of my heat tools go up to 450, so that's nice. I really like that about this because I use a heat protectant in addition anyway, so that's nice. This one is my favorite. This is the Extraordinary Oil, and I am just all about the oil life. I've said that in so many videos since living in Las Vegas. Girl, oil, give it to me. Give me hair oil, give me face oil, give me body oil, give me all of the oils. But I like this. I've been using this. I mean, there's only that much gone, but you don't need a lot, and I've been using it almost every day, and I really like it. It says versatile use on it. I don't know what that means, like if you can use it on your face, or if they're just saying like you can use it on wet hair or dry hair. I don't know. But I haven't used it anywhere but my hair, and I do put it on wet and dry, and it's really great. Next we have the Lumi collection. So this collection has gotten a lot of flack, particularly these palettes. But I'm gonna be the dissenter in common opinion. Okay, so a lot of people are saying that these palettes just are too dry, not pigmented, don't give off any kind of sheen. I will agree, they are dry, and the payoff is not, I mean, it looks very powdery. When you swatch it, it doesn't look like a gleaming, glowing highlight, right? So like, I just put that on my hand, and it's really nothing to, I just hit pan, oh boy. It's nothing to write home about. But I don't use these on my face. I use this on my body. I take a big body brush and I swirl it in all the colors and I dust it all over my shoulders, my chest, my collarbone, everywhere. And it's more of like a satiny finish. Rather than being like chunky, it's more of like a sheen. So it adds like this beautiful glow to the skin that you'd prefer to have on your body. You know what I mean? Like if you put something that's super glittery and chunky on your chest, it's gonna like draw, like it's going to create texture. It's going to not look flattering, I think. Unless you're doing it just on your bones. But like for your skin, I think a highlight like this that's more like satiny and just glowy, I think it looks better on my skin personally. So I'm really enjoying swirling this and dusting it all over. That being said, I think it works best in conjunction with cream products. So when you use some of the other products in the collection that I'm going to get to, and then you top it with this, I think it gives the most color payoff, the most shine, sparkle, gleam, glow, and it's amazing. But yes, alone on the face, no. See this, now I have a glow going on. Do you see that? Do you see how it's just like a glisten? It's not, it's reflective, but it's not like glittery. You know what I mean? So the next product I have are the Glow Amour Glow Boosting Drops. So they have this gold color and they have a pink color. And I think that's all they've got, which this is the problem for me with this collection, is they went either super gold or super pink. So this gold will look great on a deep skin tone and this pink will look great on a fair skin tone. But like, where's the one for my skin tone? Like, where's that champagne-y color? You know what I mean? But I have been using this gold one, and I'm just going to show it to you on my hand. It is very, very gold. But what I've been doing with this, it is very shimmery and beautiful. I've been putting this on my shoulders, on the high point. Oh man, did I just get it on my shirt? I did. I've been putting it on the highest points. So my shoulders, my collarbone. I have put it on my face and it's fine, but again, it's really not the right color for my skin tone. But on my body, it looks amazing. And then topping it with the powder. Girl, it looks so good. And then the next one are these Glotions. And these I actually put on first. So I probably should have showed it to you in the order of which I apply. Again, I use these for my body. So I apply these, then the drops to the high points, and then the powder. And I look like my skin looks amazing. Like, it's just such a good combo. There are 4 shades of this, which I appreciate. They do have the middle shades. The medium glow is the one that I've kind of been using. And this is what it looks like. And it is just really, I'm just making a mess. I'm just making a mess. It's just really beautiful. I love this. You can put this on your face or your body and it just gives a very healthy, radiant, lit from within look to it. It's not super shimmery. It's not glittery. It's just like a glow. It's Glotion. And then the last product from this collection are these Lumi Shimmerista powders. I have the same problem with these as I have with the drops. The colors are just, this is great for deep skin tone. Beautiful powder. Okay? It's like a rose glow, like a rose gold. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that with these lights, but it's like a really true rose gold color. That is not going to work for me. And then this one here is like a holographic purpley white. It's got like a lavender undertone to it. And that also is not going to really work for my skin tone. So like, it's sort of a buzzkill. I'm like, where's the champagne color, like the color for the middle, you know? Like if they had one more shade in the middle, I would be hooked because this powder is so beautiful. Like I would love to just dust it everywhere. But it just doesn't work for me, personally. So if you are super fair and you like holographic highlights, this will be great for you. But if you're super fair and you don't like holographic and you just want something that's gonna just be shimmery, like a pale gold or something, you're not gonna like this either. So yeah, disappointed in those. So the next package I got had this Superstar X Fiber mascara, as well as these Infallible Pro Longwear, what are they? The Infallible Longwear eye pencils. I got 5 shades of those and the mascara. I'm going to talk about the mascara first. So it is dual-sided. You have a black primer on this side. I've been really into primers, like mascara primers lately, in black. I tried using the Pixie one and I got hooked, and I was like using it all the time, and it just, I don't know, it just really makes a difference in length and volume. I mean, I have a lot of lashes naturally anyway, but you put one of these on and it's like you have falsies. It's amazing. And this one is really good. The other side is a fiber mascara. Now, typically I hate fiber mascaras. I hate those stupid fibers that sit on your lashes and they fall in your eye, and or they like fall all over your face, and they're just super uncomfortable, and I hate them. But this one actually, surprisingly, I liked it. The fibers are so tiny that you don't even know there's fibers in there. That's the first thing. Like, I didn't even realize that it had little fibers. So I like that. This is what the wand looks like. It's curved. What I like about that is when you go to apply it, you're not, the curve prevents you from whacking your eye. I hate when I have like done my eyeshadow and it's like, I'm real proud of my eyeshadow look, and then I like bump it with my mascara wand. I'm like, are you kidding me? And then you gotta wait for it to dry, and then you gotta try to get it off. It's a nightmare. This wand is really great because, like I said, like the way that it's curved, you can like really go in there and you're not gonna hit your eyelid, which I also appreciate. I have been wearing this quite a bit. I have it on now. Obviously I have falsies on, but I haven't noticed a ton of like fallout from the fibers. Nothing has gotten in my eye, and it really does make my eyelashes look full and long and just beautiful. So I'm really into this. L'Oreal like always does really good mascaras, so I'm not surprised that this one is great too. And then these eye pencils, I've only used this one, and I used it in my waterline. I need another hand. You're not going to be able to see that on my skin, but this is a beautiful like waterline pencil. It makes your eyes pop. It's a perfect color. It's not white. It's kind of like a cream color, and it is perfect for just making you look more awake and just opening up the eye. I don't like to put dark colors in my waterline. Like right now I have a dark color, but it only goes to right here, and then there's a light color in the rest because I don't like my eyes to look too closed up, and this is perfect for the inner waterline. It shows up, it stays put, it's really good. These other ones I haven't really tried yet, but I figured we could try swatching them now, because why not? This is brown. They look pretty pigmented. Definitely the other one stayed put and was super pigmented, and that was in the waterline. This is the black one. Alright, I'm just going to swatch these and then pop them in your face real quick. Okay, so this is what the other four colors look like. They're very pigmented and they're very creamy. They were super, they just glided on my hand. I really like these. I want to play around with them some more, but like, ooh, I just wiped them with a makeup wipe and the brown and the black didn't come off. Look. So you know that they're going to stay put. Okay, so last but certainly not least, I have the Color Riche, what are they called? Color Riche Shine lipsticks. Wow. That's all I have to say. I just got these in like a couple days ago. I have one of them on my lips right now. Over the Color Riche Mattes It lip liner, there's no gloss going on my lips. This is straight up one of these lipsticks. The shade I'm wearing, I think, is called Varnished Rosewood. It's this one here. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? Like, look at this packaging. It's like gold, and it looks almost like acrylic. And then this is what the lipstick looks like, the one that I'm wearing. And it's just, oh my god, you guys, it's so beautiful. They're like the creamiest but they're like pigmented. You know how like a lot of times when you put on something super high shine, it's more of like a balm, so it's like sheer and you gotta layer it up. These go on full pigment right away. They're very opaque for how shiny they are. It's really impressive. I wore this color yesterday. It stayed on my lips all day long, and I couldn't believe it because usually shiny lipsticks, they come off pretty easy. These are creamy, buttery, balm-like, hydrating, but they actually stay on your lips for a long time. I mean, I ate, I drank, everything. I was so impressed. Now, I only have ever worn that shade because I wore it all day yesterday, and that was the first time I wore it. I did swatch all the shades for you, so I'm going to insert the swatches right now so you can see. So as you can see, they have like a really great color range. There are 16 shades, and I cannot tell you how much I love these. I actually almost did a dedicated video just to these lipsticks because I'm obsessed. But I just figured I would throw them in this video. But if you guys want me to do like a dedicated video where I try them all on, I will do that for you. So just leave me a comment down below and let me know. They're so beautiful. Like, don't you want to put these on display, like on your vanity? Because I do. Anyway, L'Oreal has just been killing it for me lately. I just love most of the products they put out. They do have, do you mind? I'm trying to film a video. They do have some misses, you know, now and then, but like every brand does, you know what I mean? Like, they can't be flawless all of the time. But I think consistently they put out great products time and time again. I think that the misses are not nearly equivalent to how much great stuff they put out. You know what I mean? Like, there's a couple here and there, but like most everything is really great from them. They have my favorite brow products, my favorite lip liners. Last summer I was wearing the Infallible matte paints all summer long. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I helped you. If you were curious about some of these products, if you should get them, if you should try them. If you have tried any, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts on them are. Did you like them? Did you not like them? Do you want to try them? What do you think about these lipsticks? Like, obsessed. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on social. I am not even on Snapchat. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. My handle is @glamlatte. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.